In 30 years, China's economic and social development has skyrocketed. But lax air pollution regulations and a heavy reliance on coal shroud cities like Beijing in smog. China desperately needs clean energy, and it's finding it deep underground.
We can contribute so much to this country in terms of pollution reductions.
China is home to almost 1.4 billion people. But only 1% of its city dwellers breathe clean air. China's leaders have declared war on pollution.
环境污染矛盾突出，我们要像对贫困宣战一样，坚决向污染宣战。
One weapon in this battle nestles 3 kilometers underground in the Chongbei gas field. 96 billion cubic meters of natural gas, enough to power 76 million homes for 10 years. It's the cleanest fossil fuel, releasing a fraction of the polluting particles of coal. But getting at it can be tough.
The key challenges of extracting natural gas is very deep reservoir and is a very thin layer of sandstone. And we need a special technology to extract the gas.
After drilling 3,000 meters vertically, the drill turns to hit the gas-laden sandstone.
If we drill just vertical well, the volume gas that we can extract from the formation is very limited. But if we drill horizontally, we can maximum our exposure to the reservoir, which can give us the maximum production.
The gas is trapped inside minute pores in this 200-million-year-old sandstone. The drill smashes through the rock to release the gas. The challenge is in keeping the drill on track.
The thickness of the rock is from 10 meters down to 1 meter. This is the most difficult part for our drilling. We have some sensor in the bottom hole assembly that he can exactly know where we are, and we can steer the bit, exactly follow the trajectory where we want it to be, and to find the natural gas.
But getting it out of the ground is the first of many hurdles. At Chongbei's central processing facility, the raw gas undergoes a thorough cleansing. In its raw state, it's a soup of liquids, different gases, and impurities. The team's mission is to purify it.
We have to ensure the gas that goes to the customer is very clean. We don't want to have any water, sand, or mud inside there. When it comes to these 2 pipes, we go into our first stage container. And inside the container, it allows the gas to separate from the liquid and the other impurities.
Traveling at up to 72 kilometers an hour, the high-speed soup jets in and abruptly hits a metal plate. The light gases pass through a series of metal filters, while the heavy liquids and sand fall to the bottom. Any rogue droplets collide with mesh and fall away. The gas is now dry, but there's more to do.
Gas from the first stage is still not very pure. It contains many other gases. So when it comes to the second stage, we still have to purify it, actually by cooling it.
The different gases are separated in 2 highly efficient industrial refrigerators. At minus 14 degrees Celsius, all the gases turn to wet vapor except the one they need. Next, the gas and wet vapor are blasted through an assault course of filters. The wet vapor drips down, while the gas is twisted into a myriad of high-speed cyclones. The forces fling more vapor out of the gas. A final mesh intercepts any remaining droplets, and what comes out is dry natural gas. The gas's journey through the whole plant may have taken just 10 seconds.
After the second stage of the treatment, the gas is clean enough. After that, my job is actually finished, and I'm a happy man that.
A whopping 12 million cubic meters of clean natural gas leaves the facility every day. But as more wells are drilled into the Chungbei Reserve, that output is expected to increase.
This is Shell and PetroChina staff working together as a team to make this facility a great success for China.
Currently, only 2% of electricity is generated using clean natural gas. But there's a push to double this within the next 5 years. More projects like Chungbei would in time reduce China's dependence on coal and help them win the war against air pollution.